Hi, I'm Thor. I make videos. This video's gonna be crazy.
Tell me something.
I'm gonna tell you something.
This is Late Night Radio Thor coming at you with the Southern California, Santa Barbara blizzard warnings. What? Oh my God. Looks like if Johnny Carson were still alive, he'd be freezing his ass off in Burbank. So this is no joke, but it sounds funny that they have cold and dangerous winter storm conditions in Southern California. Take this seriously. Okay. THORnews presents. Welcome to Asteroid Fight Club. I'm your host, Thor. Today we are talking damaging winds near San Diego. Up to 72 miles an hour. 87? Holy smokes. I'm in a weird mood, and I'm absolutely obsessed with the situation happening in this area. It's always really weird when there's a whole lot of dryness over the ocean, in my opinion. Will we see some type of earthquake or major volcano activity around here in the next 72 hours? I don't know, man. Maybe. Definitely maybe. Are you ready for Hurricane Katya? Well, you better get ready. Are you Ophelian it? I'm talking about hurricane season. We're 100 days away. I'm also talking about this shit happening now. Coast to coast blizzard wizard. I got blizzard warnings there and there and there and there and down there. Everything's, and then you got heat and fire warnings down there, and then wind warnings over there. Lots of shit's happening. And I'm trying to be all cutesy late night here with you. Oh, hey, I'd like to also mention that it would appear that every season is going to be tornado season in 2023. Watch out for a possible tornadic situation happening almost a week from now in Kansas, Oklahoma, parts of Texas, and we're watching some areas that may get up to an inch, if not more, of ice up in the north, central, east, west stuff. It's always interesting when Mother Nature creates some type of temperature right angles. All right. You know what I'm talking about? Well, this is what I'm talking about. Wait, I forgot what I was talking about. There's a jet stream. It's going very jet streamy. And there was a surprise tornado in New Jersey today. And that would be the first February tornado in New Jersey since 1999, or 2 solar cycles ago. Yeah, just popped out of the blue. It was like, hey, I'm a tornado. I'm here, touching down. Hello. There are reports that Russia carried out a test of an intercontinental ballistic missile that appears to have failed. And today is the 1-year anniversary of America's Pluto return and when the Russia's invasion of Ukraine began. Pray for peace, y'all. And pray for safety for the people in Madagascar who are getting hit by Super Typhoon Freddy. I'm not a doomer. I'm an optimist. But I will play the How Dystopian Is It game. And this is pretty damn dystopian. Officials at Vanderbilt University's Peabody College are very, very sorry after getting caught using, I guess, ChatGPT, generative AI, to pen a message to the community about the recent mass shooting at Michigan State University. All right. That is pretty dang, that ranks pretty high in the dystopian scale, I would guess. Now, to cleanse your mental palate, I will show you a photograph of this wolf corgi. Oh, isn't it cute? You gotta look at their paws. They got cute paws. Like all dogs, really. Hey, remember after sunset to go look for the moon, Jupiter, and Venus. The sky's been putting on quite a show lately. I'm trying to be all cutesy over here when I guess I should really be trying to express, hey, this wind on the 24th, Friday. Could get pretty extreme. Also, weather, tornado-y. Wednesday, today, that's today. Could get pretty extreme. Oklahoma, over here, and then over here, and over here, and over here. Okay? But hey, if doom is your emotional drug of choice, then go ahead, go to town. But don't get upset if somehow I manage to turn your frown upside down. Hey, don't you love it when you tie a record high? All right, this is interesting and impressive. Shout out, say something to me in the comments if you happen to be out on the West Coast listening tonight, because this radio show was for you and everybody else out there listening. Asteroid Fight Club, I love and appreciate you. Stay cool, play defense, and buckle up for one of the weirdest 6 weeks we're probably ever gonna have ever had. All right, stay cool. God bless everyone.
Here's all you need to know to stay alive.
You're missing the Garden of the Gods.
Huh?
Over there.
I don't know if you know this. THORnews is for winners, and that's why you're here. So stick around.
Stay cool.